So let's say you've dropped an image into Canva. It looks fine, but it's missing that polished edge that makes it stand out. What it needs is a border, and Canva actually has a super quick way to add one if you know where to look. Here's how to do it step by step. Click on your image, then go straight up to the top and hit Edit Image. Now, before anything else, you want to get rid of that background. If you don't, the outline is just going to wrap around the entire rectangle of the photo, which looks messy. Scroll to Background Remover and click it. Canva will cut out your subject and leave it clean on the canvas. This is what makes the effect look professional instead of like a quick filter slapped on. Once that's done, stay in the Edit panel and scroll down until you see Shadows. That's where Canva hides the border tool. Inside Shadows, pick Outline. At first it throws on a default outline, usually black and fuzzy, but don't stop there. Click into the settings. You'll see sliders for size, transparency, and blur. Now, here's where you can really customize it. Bump the size up if you want a thicker border, or pull it back for something subtle. Change the color to match your design. White if you're working on a dark background. Bright neon if you want attention. Or even pick one of your brand colors to keep things consistent. And then tweak that blur. Keep it low for a crisp sticker-style cutout. Or raise it if you want a soft halo glow around your subject. Take a moment to play around here. Small changes make a big difference. A thin, white border can make a product photo pop on an online shop. A bold colored border can make a YouTube thumbnail stand out from the crowd. And if you're working on a flyer or a poster, a subtle outline can separate your subject from busy backgrounds without stealing attention from the main message. That's really it. Remove the background, add the outline, and dial in those 3 sliders until it looks perfect. In under a minute, you've got an image that pops off the page and feels like it belongs in a pro design. So, next time one of your photos is just blending in, give it a border this way. It's simple, it's clean, and it makes your design instantly sharper. And the best part, once you know where this tool is hidden, you'll use it all the time because it works on just about any image you drop into Canva.